So after a couple of minutes, generally okay to handle, you can lift and drop onto your wire rack. You want to tap at the back, and you should get a hollow feedback. If it's sounding dense, pop it back into the oven, give it 3 to 4 more minutes to bake. And then you check, you tap, should sound like you're patting a drum. I'll leave this to cool down completely before we slice. Okay, so our challah has had its chance to cool down, and you can hear the crust nice and crisp. So lovely soft crumb on the inside. Look at that. And a nice golden finish, crisp crust on the outside. So all you need for this is butter. Just slather it with a lot of butter and just tuck right in. It does freeze very well, but there's a little chance that this will be left over from after the class. If you're freezing, I would always suggest slicing. Slice them into manageable sizes, wrap them in cling film into the freezer until the day you are ready to eat.